These are three things I learned at making $100,000 at 20 years old. So, to introduce myself, my name is Alex Armstrong, and I'm the founder of All American Prospects, and I run currently one business, and I'm a business owner. So I'm pretty much going to tell you a story of how I made my money, and I am currently 21 years old and currently have made over $100,000 in net profit. I would be pretty sure, yeah, net profit, yeah, $100,000 net profit. Just make sure. I don't know why I kind of was confused about that, but yeah. So pretty much, yeah. So I'll say my whole story. So pretty much, I started doing, social media and everything. It's a media company, so I own a media company. It's a YouTube channel, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, revolving around high school baseball or slash sports. And I post about, the best baseball highlights and travel baseball. I film it. I film my camera. What I'm recording on right now. I usually film that to record high school baseball players in Georgia or all over the country. And I get the best highlights of the best players and teams, and I compile that into, a good video. And that's on All American Prospects. If you guys want to see some more videos on that, look up All American Prospects. It'll be all over YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. But yeah, let me go back a couple years ago. So about 3 or 4 years ago, um, I was in high school. I just was a junior, and I got injured from baseball. I played baseball all the way through college. I played 1 year of college, but we'll get into that a little bit. But I started making videos about, yeah, at least seriously making videos junior year of high school, and I went through an injury for baseball, and I just remember, having all the time in the world, and I didn't know what else to do. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna make some videos or just do something that will fulfill my time, and pretty much did that for a good amount of time. And after 6 or 7 months, I was just kind of don't know where I'm going. I'm like, I had some expertise in like growing social media pages. I kind of made some money doing that by growing and flipping theme pages and sports pages, like growing them from zero followers to like 5,000 followers, or 5,000 to like 10,000, and just flipping them. And I made maybe like $100 a month, maybe flipping like one page a month. It really wasn't much income, at least at the time where I'm at now. Um, but yeah, then you go, a little farther up. Then about a year and a half, I pretty sure just kind of started doing a lot of business stuff. Did a little, like, just tried everything really until it was like 2 years later, and it came July of 2020 is when I started All American Prospects. And I was like, pretty much long story short, in that, there's gonna be a lot of struggling, and if you want to make money online or make money online, or for me, it was what really hit me was filming these players and filming and getting out there, getting the camera out there, filming original content. So for me, I was always like, okay, I'm only gonna be at home making money, but obviously there's levels to it. So later on, I want to just do that later. But obviously, I'm gonna kind of sidetracked. But anyways, I went through a lot of struggling. I went through about didn't make a cent off social media for like 2.5 years roughly, and then so I started making like $100 a month or $200 a month, and then I think it was around July of 2020, late 2020, or 2021 July, or 2021. Sorry, I went back. So pretty much would fast forward, like I'm a junior of high school. Fast forward to like my freshman year of college, and I was like, I'm done with this. I want to transfer, and I ended up transferring to another school, and that's when everything changed. Literally, everything changed. I was like, I'm done with baseball. Screw baseball. I'm done. I know I'm not gonna I'm gonna be a baseball player, and you know, I decided to make videos full time and also be a student at another school in Georgia, and I'm currently still a student. What's it called? Yeah. So, anyways, I started filming some top baseball prospects, and then kind of blew up from there. And then TikTok made my first $2,000 a month on TikTok. When the video blew up, I made about 30 million views that 1 month, and it's definitely possible, guys. And then from there, what I would take away from all this, and now I'm making 5 to 10K a month, but I'm trying to scale now to more income. But there's just levels to it. I'm trying to make these videos and help you guys out, make more money. Obviously, I can make more money as well, but that's not really the goal of it. I wanted you guys to help and motivate you guys, and or inspire you guys that it's possible. I was literally a lost kid in high school that didn't know what he was doing. I mean, just playing baseball, and I was pretty good at baseball. I don't think I was the best, or it wasn't the worst, like a mediocre baseball player. But I knew I had bigger ambitions and goals. But yeah, definitely things I would take away is be patient. There's a lot of struggling ahead. But those are for a reason. I don't know if you believe in God. I don't know if God is in your life, but definitely God has helped me throughout this whole journey. Um, Definitely would get the fundamentals right. That's what I would do if I went back 3 or 4 years ago. is get the fundamentals right, you know. Uh, what I mean by that is, you know, like, I don't know, get control of, you know, a lot of things I'll do right now. Like, let's say, how do I say that? I would just really hone in on, you know, like consistency. Like consistency is actually, yeah, consistency is the number one thing that will get you far. I think that like if you stick to something for 6 months to a year, I guarantee you it's gonna be very, very hard to fail at that one subject or whatever. And also build skills. You know, for me it was video content creation and also marketing out on the side and also maybe now it being ads and all this other stuff now. But or maybe filming of a camera, that's a skill, or maybe even how to get views on social media, how to grow an account from scratch to 100,000 followers. That's another skill. I would just literally just build skills, as many skills as you can, and then see what hits and see what makes you money. And that's all it is. You're throwing darts at a board and seeing what you get for bullseye, you know, or not even bullseye, maybe what gets on the board. Like that's business. You're testing in a laboratory and seeing what works. So yeah, guys, I don't know. I'm kind of ranting on, but I mean that's the point of a YouTube video, right? It's my first video on, you know, business stuff, on my coaching and my personal goals and personal achievements from the past. So sorry, this video is a little choppy, but definitely have better videos coming on in the future. I know this lighting isn't the best compared to other guys on YouTube, but you know, try my best here. So all right, guys. So I'm gonna wrap it up there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please subscribe for more videos like this, and definitely will see you guys next time.